Many automotive applications, such as HMI, hands-on detection, occupant detection, and body control, require a diverse set of capabilities that complicate hardware design and software development. The Infineon Technologies PSOC 4 HVMS Lite Kit, available from Mouser Electronics, features the PSOC 4 HVMS MCU, integrating a multi-sense converter supporting capacitive sensing, a 12-bit ADC, a programmable analog and digital block, a 12-volt LDO, LIN PHY, and an Arm Cortex M0+, providing a single-chip solution that supports functional safety applications up to ASIL B. The PSOC 4 HVMS Lite Kit enables rapid development with the unique features of the PSOC 4 HVMS. The kits include an onboard debugger, CapSense buttons, and expansion via Arduino, Infineon, Microbus, and Sensive Bus headers. Developers can also leverage extensive software support, including the free Modus Toolbox and licensed software options, to reduce development time and complexity.